Hi, I'm Abby Brown, and you're looking right now at my desktop as I'm working in Photoshop. What I'm working on today is changing the image size and resolution of a photograph. The photograph we're using is a ducky, and it is a standard photograph that's available with Photoshop. You should find it in your sample images folder if you have uploaded Photoshop to your computer. Now, let's take a look at this image itself. Right now, it is a 799 kilobyte image. It's a TIFF file, TIF, which means it has lots of information, and we can probably blow it up a bit larger and still maintain the look and feel of the duck without making him look too granular or pixelated. Let's take a look. The way we do this is with the pull-down menu Image. So we go up to Image, and we choose image size. Now in image size we get basically two areas, pixel dimensions and document size. The pixel dimensions are literally the pixel width and pixel height of the image. The document size tells us the width and height that the image will print out, and the resolution, that is the pixels per inch. So right now this is a 72 pixel per inch image, and it's 500 pixels wide by 546 pixels high. It'll print out at about 7 by 7.5 inches. If we change the resolution to something much larger, say 300 pixels per inch, we get a much larger image. I'm just going to click OK now that I've changed the resolution, and you'll see what I mean. Watch the duck. Now he's a really, really big duck. He is great for printing because he'll print very densely now at 300 dots per inch. But since we're mostly working on the web, we're going to change the image to something that's more web friendly. Back up to Image, Image Size. Now we're going to change the resolution back to 72. Just for example, we'll click OK, and you know what's going to happen now. Yes, the duck becomes smaller in terms of what we see on the screen because we changed the resolution. Now let's go back up to Image, Image Size, and now we're going to keep the resolution at 72 because that's a fairly standard resolution for computer display. Now we're going to change, though, the width and the height of the image. So we'll change the width to 100. The height automatically changes because the aspect ratio is locked. The way that works is we have in these three checkboxes at the bottom, we have scale styles, constrain proportions, and resample image. If we maintain that checkbox that says constrain proportions, if we change the width, the height will automatically change to match. So now we've got it a width of 100 and a height of 109. When I click OK, the image should appear smaller. There we go. So now we have a 100 by 109 image. Now to prepare this image to save for the web, we go up to File, Save As. Remember, we're working with a Ducky TIFF right now, and a TIFF won't show up in a web page. We need something like a JPEG or a GIF file. So we'll change format to JPEG. And as soon as we click Save, it asks us what our options are. We'll tell it that we'd like high quality. And now we have a Ducky JPEG saved at 100 by 109 pixels at 72 pixels per inch. So now we've changed the image size and resolution.